Many English learners feel stuck. You watch videos. You understand podcasts. You know grammar rules. But when it's time to speak, your mind freezes. The words don't come. You start translating in your head. You feel slow and shy. If this sounds like you, this 30-day brain training challenge will change how your mind works in English. Speaking English fluently is not about learning more grammar. It's about training your brain to think, react, and speak in English automatically. And just like the gym trains your body, this challenge trains your English brain step by step. Most learners try to speak English without training their brain first. They only watch videos or memorize words. But fluency is a skill. Your brain needs daily small workouts. In this challenge, you will not study English like a student. You will live English like a speaker. You will train your thinking, listening, reacting, and speaking muscles every day for 30 days. You don't need perfect grammar. You need daily action. Even 10 to 20 minutes a day can change your speaking ability if you do the right exercises. In the first 10 days, your goal is to stop translating in your head and start thinking in English. Every day, choose simple activities and name them in English. When you wake up, say in your mind, I am waking up. When you brush your teeth, say, I am brushing my teeth. When you eat, say, I am eating breakfast. This may feel strange, but this is how you train your brain to connect real life with English words. Your brain starts to build direct English thinking paths. This is the foundation of fluency. Another powerful habit for the first 10 days is the 3-sentence rule. Every day, speak 3 simple English sentences about your day. For example, today I worked. I watched a video. I am tired but happy. Say them out loud. Your goal is not perfect English. Your goal is to move your mouth. This trains your speaking muscles and removes fear. Speaking is physical. Your mouth needs practice, not your notebook. In the next 10 days, from day 11 to day 20, your goal is to train fast listening and fast responding. Choose short English videos or short conversations. Listen to one sentence. Pause the video. Repeat the sentence out loud. Then answer with one simple sentence. For example, if you hear, "How was your day?" you reply, "It was good." Don't wait to create perfect sentences. Speed is more important than perfection. This trains your brain to respond without translating. During these middle 10 days, you will also use shadow speaking. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time as the speaker. Choose slow English content. Play one sentence and speak with the speaker together. Your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence will improve naturally. At first, you may feel uncomfortable. That's normal. This discomfort means your brain is learning something new. Keep going. This is how you build speaking flow. In the final 10 days, from day 21 to day 30, your goal is real speaking and self-expression. You will speak alone, but as if you are talking to a person. Choose one topic each day, like your routine, your goals, your problems, or your plans. Speak for 1 minute without stopping. Even if your grammar is wrong, keep speaking. Do not stop to fix mistakes. Fluency grows when you focus on flow, not accuracy. You can improve accuracy later. Another powerful habit in the final 10 days is daily mini-stories. Every day, tell a short story in English about something that happened to you. It can be very simple. Today I went outside. I met a friend. We talked for some time. I felt happy. This trains your brain to connect thoughts into longer English speech. Storytelling is one of the fastest ways to improve fluency because it uses memory, emotion, and real experience. Throughout all 30 days, you must remove fear. Fear blocks fluency. Your brain cannot speak freely if you are afraid of mistakes. Remember, mistakes are proof of learning. Children make thousands of mistakes when learning to speak. That is why they become fluent. You are allowed to make mistakes too. Your job is to speak, not to be perfect. Confidence grows from action, not from thinking. Another important rule for this challenge is English input every day. Listen to English daily, even if it's only 5 minutes. Your brain needs English sounds to stay active. The more you hear English, the more natural it feels when you speak. Your brain copies patterns from what you hear. This is how native speakers learn too. They didn't study grammar first. They listened, copied, and spoke. By the end of these 30 days, you will notice real changes. You will think faster in English. You will hesitate less. You will speak more naturally. You may not be perfect, but you will be much more confident and fluent than before. The goal is progress, not perfection. Fluency is built through daily small actions, not through one big study session. If you complete this 30-day brain training challenge seriously, you will prove to yourself that fluency is possible. You don't need talent. You need training. Your brain is powerful. You just need to teach it how to speak English. Start today. Don't wait for confidence. Confidence comes after action. Do the challenge. Speak every day. And watch how your English changes.